Multiplying numbers in scientific notation. Again, like we talked about today in class, this is going to help us to multiply numbers that are very, 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 very large and numbers that are very, very, very small. The steps to multiply numbers in scientific notation. Step 1. You need to multiply the stems. Remember, these are the parts in front of the times 10 to whatever power. After you multiply the stems, you're going to add the exponents together. Tonight we're not going to have to worry as much about this step, but eventually we're going to have to make sure that our final answer is in scientific notation form. So we're going to evaluate the expression 1.3 times 10 squared times 2.5 times 10 to the first. Again, step 1 told us that we need to multiply the stems. The stems are those pieces that are in front of our 10 to the second power. So in this case, it's going to be 1.3 times 2.5. I've rewritten this where the 1.3 and the 2.5 are in front. But it really means the same thing. Multiplication is commutative, so you can multiply in any order you want. So it's just easier for me to write it this way. You don't have to rewrite this step, but it might be helpful for you. So 1.3 times 2.5, that's going to be 3.25. Step 2, we need to add the exponents on our 10. So in this case, we've got 2 and 1. Well, 2 plus 1 is 3. So our final answer is 3.25 times 10 to the third. Again, you don't have to write this step here, just like you don't have to write this step here. It might be helpful for you if you do, but they are not required. I would like to see this step and this step, however. And of course, writing your original problem is always helpful. Try this problem on your own. Pause your video at this time and do your multiplication. Did you get 6.72 times 10 to the 7th? If you did, draw yourself an alien on the side of your paper. If you did not get the correct answer, go back, re-examine the steps, and look at the last example to see if that helps. You have 3 homework problems for tonight. Make sure you show work and make sure you have these homework problems and the notes completed as your assignments tomorrow. Under 3 minutes and 20 seconds, not too bad. That's the end of the video. Have a great day.